guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something a little different. I don't know if I'm the first person to do this on YouTube or if other people have done it yet. Snapchat came out with a little new AI thing, which is artificial intelligence, and it's like a little friend that you can like text on there or like ask questions. It's kind of creepy, but kind of cool, I guess. I really don't know how to feel about it, but I was sitting there and I was like, what could I do with this? And I was like, you know what, we should do my AI picks my makeup, like a full face AI picks my makeup. Wouldn't that be cool? So that's what we did today. The look that I have on was the look that my Snapchat AI created for us. I asked her like product recommendations and that kind of thing, and she gave us the tea. So if you guys want to see how I did this and like what other products Snapchat recommends, then let's get into it. I asked my Snapchat AI because that thing is weird and I've been seeing people like share stuff about it, and I was like, why don't we do Snapchat AI picks my makeup look? So that's what we're gonna do today. So I took screenshots of questions that I asked, so I'll pop them up on the screen so you guys can see. But the first thing I asked is, what's some affordable makeup primers that are good? And my Snapchat AI said, in addition to the NYX Studio Perfect Primer, some other affordable makeup primers that are good include the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, which I've had that a long time ago, like when I first started doing makeup. And this NYX Studio Perfect Primer I've never tried, but I do have the putty primer, so we're gonna use that one today. I use my regular one up, but I have this one that's the acne fighting. It's just like a green tinted. I have the luminous one, I have the matte one. I love them. It's a great primer. Sorry, Darby's barking. But so it recommended the e.l.f. Putty Primer, so we are gonna try that one today. I usually just take some of it in my hand and then go in. So for foundation, I asked, what inexpensive foundation makeup would you suggest? And it said, some inexpensive foundation makeup options that I would suggest include the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte, and the CoverGirl Clean Matte Liquid Foundation, which I have the CoverGirl one and I have the Fit Me. I have had the L'Oreal Infallible in the past and I really do like that one. I just don't have it on me. So I have the Fit Me one, so we're gonna use that today. I have to mix it a little bit with my LA Girl white base because this is more of like my self-tan shade and I am not very tan right now. So might have to make a little concoction. But I was saying, I have tried all of the foundations it recommended, and they actually are all three really good ones. So I would recommend them to you guys too. They are good. So I guess it knows what it's talking about. What are some good and expensive concealers to use? And it said, some good and expensive concealers include the Maybelline Fit Me, the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. So I have all three of those, but I think we're just gonna stick with the Fit Me train and use the little Fit Me concealer here. So this is what it looks like. Mine is about half gone, but yeah, I like this concealer, but I wish it came with more. Like, you run out of it so quickly. I don't know. And I feel like you have to use quite a bit. I'm gonna use it as my eyeshadow base too, but I do like it. I like the other ones that it mentioned as well. So it's actually doing pretty good with the recommendations, I will say. So then I said, what's a good drugstore powder option? And it said, a good drugstore powder option is the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder, which everybody knows about this powder. So I have the translucent extra coverage one, and we're gonna go in with it. I do like this powder, like for everyday type of wear. Like it comes with a lot of product, so it is pretty nice. If you have not seen Flashback Mary with James Charles, it does leave flashback, like if you're taking pictures, but I mean, not people normally aren't taking pictures on like the daily basis, so it's really not a big deal. But it is a pretty powder. I do like it. I really love the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder too. I thought that's honestly what it was gonna suggest, since it had me use like all the other Fit Me products, but it didn't. I was surprised. Need to bronze this face up. What drugstore bronzer is good? And then it said some great drugstore bronzers that I would suggest include the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, Milani Baked Bronzer, and NYX Matte Bronzer. So I have had the butter bronzer in the past, and I will admit that is the best drugstore bronzer. I agree. But I used all of mine up and hit pan, and it's like completely gone. So I don't have that one anymore. I need to repurchase it. But I do have the Milani Baked bronzer right here, which we're gonna dive into. And I haven't tried the NYX one, but I do have the Milani. So this is the Milani Matte Bronzer. I'm starting to hit pan on it too. But mine's in the shade Dolce. So let's go in with her and get this face back to life. And I asked, what drugstore blush should I wear? And it said for drugstore blush, I would recommend the Milani Baked Blush. It's beautiful, affordable option that comes in a variety of shades to suit different skin tones. Plus, it has a lovely luminous finish that gives skin a healthy glow. I cannot read today for some reason. But anyways, I have that for sure. I have Luminoso, which is gorgeous, Dolce Pink, and I have Berry Amore, which I'm gonna use Berry Amore today. It's like this kind of bronzy pink. It's very natural and pretty. So we're gonna use that one. And I do love these blushes. I agree with the Snapchat AI. They are very pretty. I think Luminoso is my favorite. Luminoso is definitely the cult classic like favorite one. So gorgeous, and they give you like a beautiful shine. Really pretty and give a healthy glow. Like as you can see on my nose, that gave it a little bit of a glow. Okay, then I asked, I do have some highlights that aren't drugstore, so I just asked, what highlight should I wear today, just in general? And it said, if you're looking for a highlight to wear today, I would suggest the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter. It's a cult favorite for a reason. The formula is buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and gives the skin a stunning, radiant glow. The shade Champagne Pop is a classic and would work well on a variety of skin tones. And I agree. I love the Becca highlight. I do have this one. Mine is broken because I don't know what happened. I think I traveled with it somewhere and it shattered. I need to try to like repaint, you know, put some alcohol in it and get it to be smooth. But this is a stunning formula. It's beautiful. This is the Champagne Pop color, and the packaging is so pretty. So we are going to use her today. Even though she's broken, she's still gorgeous. I wish Becca would come back. I think that their products, like, do you see that? I think their products were good. And they seemed popular. So I don't know why they fully, you know, went out, but highlights done. Looks gorge. Let's go into brows. I put what drugstore brow product is good, and it said for a drugstore brow product I would recommend the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil. It's a great dupe for the ABH brow wiz, and it has a fine tip that makes it easy to create hair-like strokes. The formula is long wearing and comes in a variety of shades to suit different hair colors. So I have that, and I have it in the shade Espresso. We are going to be using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. Have the brows all filled in. Now it's time to do some eyeshadow. So let me find here. I asked what eyeshadow palette would be nice to use, and it said one eyeshadow palette that I think would be really nice to use is the Huda Beauty New Nude eyeshadow palette. It has a beautiful range of shades, including some unique shimmers and glitters that would add a special touch to any eye look. The formula is very pigmented and easy to blend, so you can create a variety of different looks. And I do have that palette. It's a really pretty, like, almost rosy tone palette, so we're gonna dive into her today. I will say it is good. I love all the Huda palettes. Her formula is really great. So it's kind of more of a pinky toned palette, but the shimmers and glitters in here are stunning. First, going in with the shade Teddy, which is like this nude up top, and I'm just gonna blend that all through the crease. Going to take the shade Raw, which is kind of a, I don't even know how to describe that color. It's like a burgundy kind of brown, I don't know. But we're gonna take that and kind of put it through the crease in the outer corner. I'm gonna go in down here with this shade called Charmed and put that all over my lid. And then I'm going to add some of the concealer shade and then the sparkle that's called Infatuated, that and the concealer right in the middle. So I'm going to like lay the concealed shade down, which is kind of like a tackier base, right in the center, and then stick on the Infatuated color on top of that. So I put the shade Crave, which is like the gold, in my inner corner, and then I put Tease, which is like a purple gray, on my lower lash line. So the eye look is all good. Now we need to move on to liner, mascara, and lashes, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera with products I already have, and then we will do the lips because I just thought that would be easiest. So I asked the AI what lip combo and it gave me a good one, so I'll be back. Let's start with the lips now that the eyes are done. So I said, what would be the perfect lip combination to wear today? It said a long paragraph. It said, since I don't know what you're wearing or where you're going, sass. It's hard to say what the perfect lip combination would be for you today. However, if you're looking for a versatile option that would work for a variety of different occasions, I would suggest the Fenty Beauty Fenty Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer in Fenty Glow. It's a beautiful neutral shade that would complement a variety of different makeup looks. The formula is hydrating, long wearing. You could wear it on its own or with a natural look, or layer over a lipstick for some extra shine. So then I said what lipstick would match the Fenty gloss, and it said, if you're looking for a lipstick that would complement the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer in shade Fenty Glow, they have to put the whole name, I would suggest a nude or pink tone lipstick that is a similar color. Some great options to consider would be Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, the NARS Velvet Lip Pencil in Bahama, or MAC Cosmetics Velvet Teddy. These shades would all work well with the Fenty gloss and would help create a cohesive, polished look. I have the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick, and I have the Fenty Gloss Bomb. This has been so loved. Like, I don't know if you can see, I'm almost like halfway through it, and I've had this for a long time, so I don't know how I've gone through it. Look at the lid. She was well loved. She's a purse gloss. Like, this is usually in my bag. But right now I have Fussy in my bag by Fenty, which is also good. But yeah, I haven't tried the NARS. I do have some of the MAC matte lipsticks, but I don't have Velvet Teddy, I believe. This is like the most raved about lipstick ever, I'm pretty sure. gorgeous nude pink. It does go with everything. Then we're gonna put some Fenty Glow. I love the smell of these. It's the lip look. I think that's really pretty. Good combination. Both of these would literally go with anything you want to wear, so good job. AI, good job. Next, I asked for a setting spray and it recommended the Makeup Revolution one, but I don't have that one, so I was like, is there any other ones that are good? So when I asked if there was other options, Sis got sassy. She literally sent me a whole list. She was like, in addition to the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray that I recommended earlier, there are a few other affordable makeup sprays, and then she literally listed them. She said the e.l.f. Cosmetics Matte Mist and Set, which I don't think I have that one. I have the Microfine, but I don't have that one. She said the Milani Make It Last, and she said Rimmel London Insta Fix and Go, which I've never tried. She said all these sprays are affordable and effective, so you can choose the one that works best for your skin type. I have the Milani Make It Last, so that's the one we're gonna use today. She is so good. I love this spray. Such a good spray. And it smells good too. Okay guys, so here is my final AI generated makeup look. I think it actually looks really pretty, and I think the AI did a good job at, you know, picking colors that would go together. Like this lip combo looks really pretty with the eyeshadow, and I'm happy with how it turned out. It's kind of cool. I asked if there was anything she wanted to say to my subscribers about the makeup look that we ended up creating, and she said, to all of the subscribers out there, I just want to say that the makeup look that we created is all about enhancing your natural beauty and feeling confident in your own skin. Whether you're going for a bold, glamorous look or a natural, understated look, the most important thing is to feel comfortable and confident in your own skin. Remember that makeup is all about self-expression and creativity, so don't be afraid to experiment and try new things, and most importantly, have fun with it. She killed it with that ending. Like literally, maybe I should ask for my outros from her from now on, because she slayed. I'm really happy with how the final makeup look turned out. I think it's super glam and pretty. Thank you to my AI on Snapchat for helping us create this look and this video today. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. It means so much to me, and I will see you guys in my next one.